Okay, so pag nagme-measure kayo ng butter, meron na dito yung measurement niya. So, surat-surutong lang din niya na. So, for example, dito, you're going to cut it here is 2 cups. 2 tablespoon na yon. Kapag hinati mo dito naman sa gitna niya, 1 tablespoon. Para ma-realize nyo, I know you cannot see but I can, pwede nyong tingnan mamaya. So, yung isang ganito is 3/4 cup of butter. Nakakaintindihan? O, itingnan nyo mamaya pag familiarization na para alam ninyo. So, we also have here the salt for, for measuring small ingredients later. We also have here the flavoring flavor. For sample lang, isang liquid ingredient na ginagamit sa baking. We also have here the water. Okay, alam niyo naman na gumamit ng kiluan, di ba? Okay, so when you put your, before you put everything, you put your bowl. So since merong kilo yung bowl, anong gagawin? Okay, you press the tear, saka nyo ilalagay yung item. So okay na ba tayo? Okay, we have here our, anong tawag dito? Measuring cup. Anong tawag dito? Okay, very good. How about this one? Okay, spatula. How about this one? Liquid measuring cup. So, ito yung mga gagamitin nyo. So, sa napag-aralan natin, you need to sift the flour before measuring. So, because it takes time, i-ano na lang natin. Kunwari, na-sift na yung flour. So, ang gagawin na lang natin next, pag magluluto na kayo, may in-charge na magsisift ng flour para mag-rukod-rukod na lang ito ang gagawin. So, pagilid mo na natin ito. Okay, I want you to prepare 1/4 sheet of paper.